we're going to do is obviously we're going to go up ladder again. You're going to be clipped to me again.
Yeah.
Yeah, so you know you're nice and safe with me. And then, so obviously use the middle bits of the ladder, not the outsides.
Yeah.
But then you're going to go onto the pole. Now the pole is a little bit wobbly, but it's fine. Yeah.
Okay.
It is 6 foot still under, if not more.
Yeah.
Yeah. But what you need to do is when you're climbing up, use the left-hand side and the middle blocks, not the right-hand side.
Those ones and those ones.
Left in the middle, yeah. Because just you'll have to sometimes might go like that with your rope over the blocks, yeah. When you get to the final block, your rope will be. Imagine this is the platform up there.
Yeah.
Yeah. Your rope will be there. What I need you to do, hold onto the platform with your right hand, so arm over the platform, and then bring your rope round. So you're going to be, imagine I'm on the actual pole higher up. You're going to need to do that.
Hold that.
Bring it round, yeah, and then you can let go of it. Both hands over the thing. Get onto your knees onto the actual platform.
Yeah.
Yeah. Then this part is the scariest part, standing up. Once you've stood up, you're fine. Yeah. Hold onto your rope. Put one foot flat on the platform. Push up with that leg while holding onto the rope. Once you've stood up there, I do need to let go of the rope. Yeah. So I can just tighten up a little. Then when you're ready to go, bring your toes over the edge.
Yeah.
Let go of your rope. Arms out. And I'll go 3, 2, 1. Jump. Grab the bar. Well done, yeah. If you don't make the bar, don't worry. So I've got you. Yeah, so you're not going to go anywhere again like you haven't done on all the others. Yeah?
Yeah.
Just when you're coming down now, do watch out for the pole because you will swing with this.
Okay.
Yes?
I've just got to be like...
Yeah. And then also, if you don't want it, if you get that halfway and think, don't want to actually do it, don't worry. What we'll do is that, if you don't want to do it, you have to hold on to the actual pole itself.
Yeah.
Go down to this side, then hug it.
Yeah.
And then when I'll tighten it up and I'll shout, let go when you're ready. And I've got you. Yeah?
Yeah.
Sound cool?
Yeah.
But trust me, that bar, you can just go like that.
Okay.
Yeah? Who's been on here before me, but they were a midget. We're out in this though. Right then, do you want to bring yourself this way for me, darling? Yeah. One, 2, 3. I'm ready if you're going to wait at the bottom of the ladder for me.
Okay.
Now we'll be super proud of you if you actually get up there to the top. Yeah? And I'm sure Ian will be really proud of you.
Yeah.
When you are ready, you can go. Actually, you might want to drop your gloves off.
Yeah.
Yeah, just because it's metal, isn't it?
Do you want me to grab them?
Oh, that's welcome.
It is, but the ball's metal.
Yeah, I see your grip.
You grab it. Well, you're almost on wood in a minute, you know what I mean? It is misty, isn't it? Look over there.
Yeah.
So the middle and the left, and you'll do just fine. What is it? You?
Yeah.
On the top, as you can see, it's this side. So it just needs you to bring it round. Not your face though, around the platform, yeah? When you're ready.
As you go around the course, there's one careful
Keep going.
Don't panic. What you're going to do is just drag the legs to the back. Can't go any lower. Begin to pull yourself straight back up. And if you need help, we have instructors around. Now through the force as well, you've got 3 zip lines. When you get to a zip line,
Keep going, Estelle, you're doing really well. Good climbing.
There's a little bit of plastic closer to you. You just hold on to that bit just there.
Just let your rope go around your hand. No, your hand's going around the rope. You need to go like that. Yeah, and onto the block, that side. Yeah, like that.
Just step forward. On the other side, you'll land on the cargo net. You just grab that cargo net. Pull yourself up. That way.
And then, so now just try and bring your rope round for me. Round the actual corner. No, the other way. Yeah, and then try and spin round so you're going up the platform. You go up onto the platform.
When you get to the zip line, just hold on to that bit so you don't hold it.
Then bring it round that next corner. Yeah, well done. Then bring both arms over. Go up a little bit more. And then onto your knees when you're ready. You can do it, you're there now. You've done the hardest bit yet.
Yeah. Come on, Star. Come on.
So on your knees.
That's it.
Second knee on. That's all you need to do. You can do this. Yeah? Just 1 minute. Just look around and look at where you are compared to all the others where you've been. Yeah? So this is the highest you've been. Yeah? So now just put 1 foot flat on the platform for me. You can hold onto your rope, which I'm pulling. That one. Yeah? Are you sure? You sure? So just try and sit on your bum. Or bring yourself around this way on the platform. But I'd stand up, trust me.
Yeah, it's going to be just as easy to stand up now.
It's just as scary to jump, stand up and jump off. The bar's not even that far. You sure? So just bring yourself around the platform. So shuffle round. Yeah, so we want your bum facing that way. Yeah, you just keep going round. She's got up there, so you can go up there and jump now. Keep going round.
That wobble.
Keep going round. You need so. Keep going a little bit more. A bit more. Yeah, and then I just tighten it up. And I just need to hold onto your rope and just let go of everything and just drop off. I've got you, like I told you. Just watch that pole when you're coming down. Okay. Chuck them on if you want. Well done, Estelle! Come this way, come over here. Come on. Well done. That's the highest you've been. I'm proud of it. You know what I mean? That's as high as the last beam and the last wire that you've just been there.
Yeah.
The climbing took mind off it.
Climbing's alright. Climbing I can do it.
But well done for running there.
Yeah, it'll be alright.
So just go and stand over there for me. Just wait there, Ian, and just
Yeah.
adjust the bar for you.
That wobble on that. Just like, oh, wow.
It's weird. It's not the wobbling that bothered me. It's the letting go. It's the standing up. And
See, it's more the wobbling that's going to bother me than the...
I just like, cause I started to feel all kind of like.
Standing up is actually harder than jumping.
Yeah.
Is it like escape bit?
But yeah, the ladder bit's all right. I can do the climbing.
You can get up there.
Wow.
It's scary.
Oh.
Down.
You did well there.
Yeah, I'm quite. When I look at that, I'm like, wow. I'm trying to.
Right, tell me when to stop.
Kind of feeling.
Like there?
Yeah, I reckon so.
What Josh is doing in a second, you get low down. Wasted.
Reckon? Or
It's actually a lot easier to finish course. I will be following you guys.
Oh, you've done a zip wire.
Yeah, but this is different. I don't know. I'm more nervous about this than I was a zipper.
To me, this is much less scary. This is less scary. Going up there was less scary than standing by that zip wire going, I can't do this. Yeah.
Whereas this scares me more than the zip wire, big time.
I was scared.
I think that today, actually, looking at it when I came over here, I was like, ooh, but I've done more than I thought I would do.
I don't like things that wobble when I'm on them. That's the problem. I didn't even notice it.
It's windy, proper shit. Come on then, Ian.
Oh, Jesus.
Go on, you can do this. What off? That's just
Yeah, I can
afraid of
hear.
heights. There's such thing as being afraid of heights.
No, it's the ground that will kill you.
It's afraid of falling, you can't fall. You have to make a look, you know.
You're at an angle.
Push it towards the junction, fella.
Neil, pull it towards you. There you go.
Right then, Ian, let me just get myself ready.
Hold on, at least go up here. Jessica. Go to this
So if
bit.
you want to go and wait at the bottom of the ladder for me.
Let's just get up this bit. Look, it's not far.
Are you ready? See you later, Tita. The left, not the right and the left.
We're not doing that.
There we go, Ian.
Yeah. Oh, Jesus Christ.
One to 1 foot. Push that
Just making sure. Just need to get my breathing back to normal. Right. Count me.
3, 2, 1, jump! Let's get another try.
No. Once is enough. I had a bit of a panic attack there.
The eagle has landed. You actually touched it though.
Yeah. I had a bit of a panic attack.
I was feeling a bit like, oh, when I was up there, that's why I was up there.
Well done.
Well done.
Well done. You're fine now, yeah?
Yeah. Back on steady ground.
Not wobbly like this. And the next bit's not wobbly anyway.
Good.
None of it wobbles. Except from your legs when you want to come down. It's just climbing all the way to the top and then coming down. Be speedy.
Cool.
There we go, well done.
Alright, I'm gonna have a little sit down for a sec. Oh.
Well done.